What's up guys to my new video. Today we're gonna ask ChatGPT, yeah, you heard it right, ChatGPT, to make us a $1,000 PC build. I'm gonna review it and let's start the video. I'm a slow typer, okay? I'm still learning. Wait. Whatever. Should I? Okay. Okay. Make me a $1,000 PC build. Wait, I'm sorry. Oh no. Guys, let's do it again because I pressed enter on an accident. Okay, wait. Make me a 1,000 pound PC build. Mostly used on gaming and light editing. Tight budget. Okay, big me $1,000 PC build, mostly used on gaming and light editing, tight budget. And should we do AM4, AM5? Let's do it. I want oh god, AM5 platform. Okay. Make me another. Yes. So let's check what will ChatGPT will recommend. Okay. So I don't like the 16 gigabytes. $1,000 you could probably get to 32 gigabytes. But just let's do this. Ryzen 5 7600X. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. The Gigabyte B650M GS3H. Yes, I love it. But I was surfing the internet all just to find it out of stock. Nah, this is what I don't like. It's fine, but I want like 32 gigabytes. AMD RX 7700 XT. It is beautiful. I will not get the stock cooler with the 7600X. Yes, it does not get that hot, but you still will need like a single tower air cooler. 1 terabyte NVMe PCIe 4. 650 watt 80 plus bronze. Okay. So let's just open PC Part Picker. Let's check, like, is he accurate about the price? And 650 watts and 80 plus bronze. There's nothing problem with 80 plus bronze. I will just go with gold. So let's see PC Part Picker. Start your build. Start a new one. So he said a Ryzen Oh, here it is. Bro, he said it was $230. $230? And it is this price. Okay, I do not care about the price. I just wanna check the watt. Does the 7600X come with an CPU core anyways? So okay, that gigabyte B650 M. What was it? It was DC3H. Okay, D was DS. So here it is. Excuse me. Okay, wait. $300 for this? $300 for a motherboard? Nah. So that's what I don't like. I know it does not come with a stock cooler. You see, I told you. Let's just put a thermal. Oh my god, I was typing. Thermal Peerless Assassin. A single tower will do. The job for $17 is pretty good. With the memory, let's go with the cheapest 16 gig. The specific guy, no, 16 gig. The cheapest 16 gig. No. The price, yes, but nah. We'll go to 16 gigs. Minimum will be 5600. What? Got no reviews. I feel this is a scam. For this price? Nah, I'm getting this. Yeah. Whoa. Stop right there. I wish he specified which one, because the CL rating on this. Damn. Okay. Again, I'm doing this to check the watts, because I don't think 650 it would have covered, but barely. It said 1 terabyte PCIe 4. PCIe 4. Here it is. The cheapest PCIe 1 terabyte is this Silicon Power UD90. Till now we're going pretty good. It's time for the case, video card, and power supply. And how much we left with? $400. Okay. It was the RX 7700 XT. We go with the cheapest one. Here it is. Yes, like, okay, it's fine. The water, okay. I just gonna check. And he said what? He said okay. I'm pretty bad choosing cases. Micro ATX desktop. Oh hell no! The heck is this? Nah. Mid tower. Mid tower. So we want something ready. It is micro ATX, I guess. It is an ATX mid tower, which I think means it's micro ATX. Well, we want 650 80 plus bronze. MSI mag, we'll do it 100%. 100%. Total comes out at $1,029. What would I do to improve this build? I definitely won't get this motherboard, cost $300. I feel this is way too expensive. Probably from the money I will save from the motherboard, I'll get a 32 gigabytes of RAM. They're pretty much only $20 more expensive. So let's find one. A motherboard, but the Tomahawk, MSI Mac B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is cheaper. Asus Prime B650 Plus Wi-Fi is cheaper. Okay, we want it to be a micro ATX. The memory slots I want 4. Wait, is there any motherboard with no? So why is this an option? Probably it's for ATX. And pretty much that's it. Want something good quality. Okay. If this is micro ATX, this feels way smaller than micro ATX. I really want to get this motherboard. Okay, let's do it. Got 5 stars from 77 people for this price. Does it need BIOS update? So the ASRock B650M Pro RS Wi-Fi Mac, yeah, that saved us $100. Okay, now I could get a 32 gigabytes. 32 gigabytes. Guys, this is pure performance. No RGB here. What the heck is it? It's expensive, man. Okay. No. Something 6,000. No, sales. 6,000 TL rating of 335 stars. Let's get it. Now we got $70. Okay. Should we upgrade the GPU? Yes, we can upgrade it. The RX 9060 XT is waiting. So much for us. The RX 9060 XT Sapphire Pulse. I love the Sapphire Pulse. Or the Azrak Challenger. Ooh. I'll get the gaming OC. Now, not only we saved money, okay, and upgraded, we also got 100 watts less. So, ChatGPT, this was the build. It's okay, he just overspent on the motherboard. 32 gigabytes from the is the standard now, and that's it. And this is my build. It's definitely better than ChatGPT because I know the 7600X does not come with a stock cooler. You definitely need a Thermalright Assassin, sorry. And the Azrak B650M, there's no problem with it. It got built-in Wi-Fi, pretty good heatsink. And you could play any game at 1440p Ultra, maybe some games at 4K, cause the 9660 is absolutely beautiful. We got $9 to spare. Is there a 2 terabyte for $60? There's definitely no. Hell no. Ain't no way. What? No. How much cash is there? What the heck? What is this? No. What the heck is this? That's 2 terabytes. Will work. 2 terabytes. PCIe 4. No. Damn it. Okay. That was the build. It's pretty good. Actually, it's pretty good. I love it. And just the only bad thing he did, he overspent on the motherboard. Maybe because the flash BIOS adapter, but I don't care. This is twice as cheap. If it broke by itself, it's another one. So that's it for the video, and comment what should I do next. Goodbye.